Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and view your portfolio performance in eToro. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, so let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official eToro website right here, eToro.com, if you have not already. And once you have opened it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From here we have the join eToro option that you can use for creating a new account if you do not already have one. If you have one, just go ahead and log in normally using the login button right here. So once you've logged in, you are going to be greeted by the home page where at the left side of the screen you are going to be able to see all the trading options you have for trading, investing, and so on. So let's go and take a look at how to follow our statistics of our portfolio on eToro. So here we have an official eToro Help Center article on what statistics does eToro track and where can I find them. So this is going to enable us to take a look at the stats tab. The stats tab can be found by going to your profile page. It has useful insights into your portfolio performance, diversity, and so on. So this is what we're looking for, the portfolio performance. So the statistics tab consists of several different cards. You're going to be able to see the stats tab but by going to your profile page, and you can access your profile by going into the upper right corner, clicking your profile picture and opening up your profile page, from where you're going to be able to see your stats. From there you can follow your portfolio, you can take a look at different filters, options, and so on, and all of that is going to be foundable right there. So that's how to do it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.